Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a shake effect in CapCut. So here I have already added two videos, and you can just click on the transition box as the first step. Click on camera and choose the pull in. Set it for 0.4 seconds. Okay, and then click on a check icon and click on the second clip, go to animation in and select the rock horizontally animation. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.5 seconds. Click on a check icon and now go to video effects, find distortion, then select the go to the nightclub tab and add the rebound swing effect. Then adjust the effect like this. So for the speed, adjust it into 20 and the size 40, and last the intensity 60. Okay, and you are done. Click on a check icon and fit the effect with the second clip. Now go to video effects again and find opening and closing, then select the diamond zoom effect. Okay, click on a check icon and trim it a bit, and now you are done with that shake effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.